Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make frame cartoons. This animation method involves creating a sequence of individual drawings, each slightly different from the last, to produce the illusion of movement. It's the classic approach behind many beloved animated films and television shows. You'll learn the foundational principles to bring your characters and stories to life, one drawing at a time. We'll cover everything from initial concepts to final export. To begin your frame cartoon journey, gather your essential tools. For traditional animation, you'll need paper, pencils, and a light box to see through your drawings. Digitally, popular software includes Toon Boom Harmony or Adobe Animate, offering powerful features. Regardless of your chosen medium, setting up a comfortable and organized workspace is crucial. This ensures a smooth creative process as you bring your animated visions to life. The core of frame animation involves a few key steps. First, establish your keyframes, which are the most important poses defining the beginning and end of an action. Next, you'll create the in-between frames, filling the gaps to make the movement fluid. Many animators use a technique called onion skinning, allowing them to see several frames simultaneously. This helps ensure smooth transitions and consistent character proportions throughout your sequence. Once your animation is complete, it's time for the finishing touches. Carefully clean up your drawings, refining lines and adding any necessary details. Then, bring your characters and backgrounds to life with color, ensuring consistency across all frames. Finally, export your finished cartoon. A common industry standard is 24 frames per second, which provides a smooth and professional-looking motion for your audience to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.